everyone, it's lesson 21 here. We are writing and evaluating expressions, multiplication, and addition. Okay, so yeah, there's action that's going on here. In the past, it's always been, what are we doing? What are we doing with our expressions? We're like, hey, we're multiplying by a 6, or hey, we're subtracting by a 3. There was only one thing that was going on. Now we've got two things to take into consideration here. So let's get ourselves into it here. All right. Here we go. All right. Example number 2. It says determine the cost for a various number of pizzas. Also determine the expression that describes the cost of having P pizzas delivered. All right, so Pizza Queen, not Burger King. It's not burger, it's pizza. It's not king, it's queen. See what they did there? All right, is having a special unlimited pizza. $4 each. They charge $2 to deliver, regardless of how many pizzas ordered. Determine the cost for various numbers of pizzas, and also determine the expression. Okay, so here we go. A lot of what we do here is we get the work down because that's going to help us with the expression. So number of pizzas delivered. Well, we know it's $4 for the pizza, okay? And then they're going to charge $2 for delivery, which means it's going to be $6. All right. If we order 2 pizzas, all right, well, 2 pizzas, well, that'll be $8. We're still getting charged $2 for delivery. Now, like it says, regardless of how many pizzas there. So now we're at a 10. All right, let's do 3 of them. Okay, so that's $12 for a 12. All right, and then, hey, we're getting the $2. We are up to 14. So what's going to start to happen here is we're going to want to record exactly what we're doing so we can see the pattern develop. Right now, I'm just like, hey, how much are the pizzas? And I'm just doing the mental math. Okay, let's start recording actually what is going on. So, ordered 4 pizzas, they're $4 each. What we're really doing here is 4 times 4 to get our $16 for our pizza. And then we're adding the $2 delivery on. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 2, that gives us our 18. Watch what's going to start showing up here. All right, let's do 10. Okay, well, again, we know that they are $4 each. All right, so $4 each times the 10 of them, we're at 40. Add the 2 on, now we're at 42. Let's go to 50. Okay, $4 each times the 50, and then we're adding on the 2. 4 times 50, 200. 200 plus 2, $202. So now the idea here is what were we doing each time? Well, each time we took the number of pizzas and we multiplied it by 4. Okay, so we're going to write down what that looks like. There it is. And then what do we do next? Well, you can see over and over again, we added a 2 on. There's my expression. So again, the expression says what you're going to do. So if someone's like, 37 pizzas, well, I would multiply it by 4, and then I would add the $2 with the delivery fee that we are looking at there. All right. So what mathematical operations did you need to do to perform to find the total cost? Yeah, we had to multiply. All right, and we had to add, just like it said up there at the very top when we started this problem that's here. So let's kind of scoot down here a little bit. All right. But here we go. Let's try another one here. Let's stick with pizza that's there. All right. Pizza price is raised to $5, and the delivery is raised to $3. All right. So again, we're gonna fill in the table, and then we're gonna come up with that expression. So the 1 pizza, okay, so that's the $5, $3 for the delivery fee, altogether $8 we're looking at here. Now, again, I'm a bigger fan of writing out what's actually going on mathematically because it's going to help you with the expression. If we don't, we're going to have difficulty seeing it there. So 2 pizzas. So we're going to take the 2 times the 5, and then we're going to add on the delivery fee. That's going to give you a 13. 3 pizzas. Okay, well, again, 3 pizzas times the $5, and then we're going to add on the delivery fee. All right, we're at 18. 4 pizzas. Again, all right, we're going to multiply times the 5 because they're $5 each, and we're going to add on the $3. And again, we should start to be seeing a pattern here that every single time we are multiplying by a 5 and then adding on a 3. So again, multiply by a 5, add on your 3. And there's your expression that we're looking at. So yeah, we're dealing with situational stuff that we're dealing with our situational ideas, what actually happens. You know, we see this kind of stuff when you maybe go somewhere and they're like, hey, you can buy the soda with the souvenir cup for $12, and then each refill is going to be $3. We see things with shipping and handling that's there. So again, a lot of applications that go along with this. All right. Yeah, and a lot of things that we're going to start to apply, put into situations that we kind of deal with. We'll see you guys later.